In a major crackdown on drug trafficking, Assam Rifles seized drugs and currency worth approximately rupees 7 crores during an operation at Mata village in Churachandpur district. The operation, code-named Operation Hero, was launched on January 4 after receiving specific intelligence regarding transportation of a large quantity of contraband through the area. The operation led to the recovery of 776 grams of suspected brown sugar valued at rupees 6.99 crores concealed in 60 soap cases. Moreover, 60 grams of WIY Yaba tablets worth 2.7 lakh rupees were also seized from inside a Maruti Suzuki Baleno vehicle. Two individuals identified as P. Thangkhanlam, 45 years, and P. Kamen Thang, 32 years, both residents of Mualam village in Singad block of Churachandpur, were arrested during the operation. The seized drugs along with the vehicle were handed over to Churachandpur police station in the early hours of today. Authorities have launched an investigation into the drug trafficking network with further inquiries underway.